The iPhone, more than just a phone, it's a symbol of technology, design, and perfection. But how is it actually made inside Apple's factory? Let's find out. Every iPhone begins in California. Apple's engineers design the blueprint, while key components like the A-series chip, camera, and display are sourced with precision from around the world. Most iPhones are assembled in Foxconn factories, China. Here, thousands of workers and advanced robots work together, placing chips, soldering circuits, and attaching the battery with unmatched accuracy. The sleek aluminum body is polished and the toughened glass display is installed. Even the smallest detail, like button alignment, is inspected for perfection. Once assembled, iOS is installed. Every iPhone goes through strict tests, from touch response and performance, to water resistance and durability, ensuring flawless quality. Finally, each iPhone is packed in Apple's iconic white box and shipped across the world, ready for millions of eager customers. The iPhone isn't just manufactured, it's crafted with design, innovation, and precision to shape the future of smartphones. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe to Legends Unfolds, and stay tuned for more amazing stories.